quick update from today. Today's stock trading was interesting. Now, Amazon was up by 2%. That gave me about £20 profit. ASML, where is it gone? ASML, it was on profit. It was on double the profit actually. So it was on 3% profit. I decided to take £10 instead of losing all of it. That's because the market began going down. Now I've made about £40-50 profit today. Not 50, yeah, about £50 profit today actually. Could have made more. I think I could have been on about £100 profit today alone. But my target is about £200 a month profit, which is very close to achieving. Well, actually, I almost achieved it. Having said all that, if I can get to about £300 a month consistently, that'd be really good. The main thing is that I want to be able to achieve profit consistently and consistently without losing money. That's the main thing. So this is why swing trading strategy works really well. Now, a lot of my stocks were in profit, like I said today. However, I decided to plunge into some of the new stocks like Kraft Heinz. It dropped 5% today, as you can see, and it's dropped further a few percentages since I bought it, but it was in profit early, as you can see up here. I'm happy to hold it because if you look at where it is, it's literally all year low. I should be able to make 5 to 7% profit on that. I'm happy to make 5 to 7% profit on a stock every month, if that makes sense, because over a period of 1 year, that's a significant amount of money we're talking about. So 5 to 7% profit regularly is not bad, considering it's a bear market where we are at the moment. Just to give you a quick calculation, that if I was to generate 5% profit every month on a stock, and let's just say I did that for 11 months, that would give me 50% profit, which is not bad at all. And you still got your money and intact. You can reinvest and compound, especially with your profit. You can compound that. So this is a different type of strategy. I don't think there is a such thing as one strategy fits all. I think it all depends on your strategy. Your approach of trading will vary and will depend on strategy vastly. However, certain stocks I've decided to clear. I've already cleared a fair few, like Enphase. There was another few stock I had that I cleared on profit. Enphase was on loss, as I mentioned in my previous video, but other stocks were in profit, so I cleared them. I've decided to go back into NIO, even though I said to myself I'm not going to trade in this stock, but the reason being it's quite low and there is a lot of support here. I could comfortably make about 5% profit on it, hence the reason why I went in. But I'm also testing the water again with NIO. It's high volume stock, so it's okay to trade off it. But previously, the mistake I made previously was that I was trading from here. See where it is, it dropped, and I was trading from there, and this was a big mistake. So it went up and I began trading. I was relatively new back then. So now I'm using more technical data to help me with decision making and then go into a trade. So I'm noticing that my trades are more successful and I'm able to generate more profit based on technical data as well as understanding of the stock market itself. So yeah, there are other stocks. So there's something else that I'm doing. So I've pulled out a fair bit of money today actually. Oh, I got free funds that much. Cool. Awesome. I didn't realize that. So what I will do is that I'm using my free funds to, I bought a couple of stocks. I bought some UK stocks, even though I said I'm not going to trade in UK stocks. The reason why I've decided to go back in, because my technical data analysis is telling me that I should be able to make about 5% profit in this stock, right? The reason why I didn't go big in UK stock, I only went with £63 for a reason. Like I said, I've lost. I think overall I broke even. I made a little bit of profit actually with the UK stocks, just a bit, maybe 1% or 2%. I'm not happy with that, but that was in the beginning and that was on a different mindset and different strategy. So now that I'm implementing the full-on swing trading strategy, I've decided to go back in for a number of reasons. One, these are safe stocks. The position's quite good. The loss from there to here is about 6%, but the gain is also quite high. I don't mind it going down. You see, it's a solid stock, Centrica, so that's what's exciting me. As well as this, you got other UK stocks that I'm quite keen on going, trading, such as EasyJet. Ocado still. I mean, I was in profit last actually on Tuesday, on 3-4%. I should 3% it was. I should have taken it out, but anyways, should have, could have, would have, all that rest of it. Allow it. Hindsight. But I'm happy with my position anyway, because if you look at the overall position, it's on a climb anyhow. So I'm happy with it. I'm not concerned with that because the position is really good and there's a support line here there. So I'm happy with that position. It will come in profit, but I was waiting for the profit to become, quite aggressive. So I've decided to hold back. If it comes into profit again, will I sell or will I hold back? I'm not too sure. I'll decide based on some data analysis. So as it stands, I'm focusing on JD stock. I bought loads today, as you can tell, £1,000 worth. I'm trying to bring the average down so I can come out with a profit on this stock, and I've also targeted Coinbase. I don't think I'll trade with Coinbase again. So here's my Coinbase. I've bought another 3 or 4 shares to bring the average down. So what I'm looking to do now is enabling these stocks to rebound to my current position is relatively safe up here. So it could potentially be, there's a FX difference. So I should be able to make a profit on them, come out with a gain. So that's the idea behind it. Same with JD. I don't think I want to trade in JD stock again, but for now I just want to clear the money. And same with the few other stocks that I have. I'll probably, so I'd like to clear them. S4 Capital will be my next target, and Plug Power will be the next target to clear. So obviously the 800, nearly £900 invested in Plug Power, which more than that actually, but to get that to become a into profit, small profit, so I can come out with a break even, that's going to cost me quite a bit of money.